students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. So the question says, on a straight line passing through the foot of a tower, 2 points C and D are at distances 4 meter and 16 meter from the foot respectively. So here is the tower AB, and from its foot, that is this point, there are 2 points C and D located at 4 meter and 16 meter respectively. If the angles of elevation from C and D of the top of the tower are complementary, then find the height of the tower. So if the angle ACB and ADB are complementary, which means that if one is theta, the other can be taken as 90 minus theta. I hope everyone gets it. So now we have to find the height of the tower. So the relation we want to apply over here is between the perpendicular, which is the height, and the base, which is given to us. So applying tan theta would give us h by 4, and applying tan 90 minus theta would give us h by 16. We also know by the property that tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So in a triangle, if we got to know that tan theta is h by 4 and cot theta is h by 16, so we can say that h by 4 is equals to 16 by h. So cross multiplying it, we get h square is equals to 64, and height of the tower we get to be 8 meter.